हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू? क्या चल रहा है? कैसी तैयारी चल रही है? वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. Today I shall discuss about applications of radioactivity. The one of the applications of radioactivity is carbon dating. In carbon dating, we determine the age of a wooden sample or age of a fossil. We know that carbon has three isotopes: C12, C12, C13 and C14 with mass numbers 12, 13 and 14 and atomic number of each carbon is 6. The percentage abundance of carbon 12 is 98.89%. Carbon 12 has abundance 98.89%. Carbon 14 Carbon 14 is produced in the atmosphere by bombardment of cosmic neutrons on atmospheric nitrogen. When neutrons collide with atmospheric nitrogen, then carbon 14 is produced in the atmosphere in a trace amount, very less amount. This carbon 14 is radioactive and has half-life 5568 years, 5568 years. This carbon 14 decays by emitting beta particles. It converts into nitrogen 14. Due to the above two reactions, the amount of carbon 14 in the atmosphere remains constant. Now, the plants consume carbon in the form of carbon dioxide. We know that in the photosynthesis reaction, plants consume carbon in the form of carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrates in the presence of sunlight. So, the carbon 14 along with carbon 12 is consumed by plants, which through the food chain also goes to the animals. So, due to the above two reactions, the amount of carbon 14 into the plant or animal remains constant during his lifetime. As long as the plant is alive, the amount of carbon 12 remains constant. But as soon as the plant or animal dies, the amount of carbon 14 goes on decreasing due to the beta decay. Due to this reaction beta decay, the amount of carbon 14, the activity of carbon 14 in the plant or animal goes on decreases. Now, if after T years the decay rate of any wood sample is n disintegrations per minute per gram, then we have n is equal to n0 e की power lambda t, e की power minus lambda t. Here n0 is decay rate per disintegrations per minute per gram when the plant or animal was alive, and n is the decay rate when the plant decay rate after t years. We can calculate the value of disintegration constant lambda by using the equation, this relationship. Since we know the radioactive decay follows first order kinetics, therefore lambda can be calculated by using this relationship. Here T half is equal to 5568 years. So we can determine the lambda. Now, taking natural log of both sides, we have log n is equal to log natural log n0 minus lambda t. We obtain this equation. Ln n is equal to ln n0 minus lambda t. Now we can measure the value of n decay rate at after T years, NGO is declared when the plant was alive. Lambda can be calculated from this. From this value, we can determine the T. When the plant was just died, yeah, when the animal was just died. By using this technique, we can determine the age of an wooden sample. This technique is known as carbon dating. By using carbon dating, we can determine the age of fossils or wooden sample. In this technique, we measure the activity of carbon-14, and by using the first order kinetics, we can determine the T, time. Thank you for watching my channel. Your comments are welcome. Your feedback is required. Thank you once again.